Google is expanding its AI features, and the latest update brings its conversational Ask tool to TVs through YouTube TV app. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. This ASL feature was first introduced earlier this year as a limited test, but it's now starting to roll out more broadly, giving users a new way to interact with content without leaving the video they're watching. The Ask feature isn't entirely new. It's already available on mobile, desktop, and web versions of YouTube. It's only coming to your living room now. You can see an Ask button just below the video player on supported TVs. Once you select it, it opens a side panel where users can either choose from suggested prompts or use the microphone on their remote to ask a question directly. Once a question is submitted, the system processes it in the background and displays a response on screen, all while the video continues to play. The idea is to keep the viewing experience uninterrupted while still giving users access to additional context or information about the video they're watching. The interaction closely mirrors how the feature works on phones and computers, but it's been adjusted for a more passive, remote-based setup. The feature is powered by Gemini and pulls info from both YouTube and other online sources to get answers that are relevant to the video. Imagine asking about song lyrics while watching a music video, or getting a quick summary or explanation during a podcast or a long-form video. The goal is to make videos more interactive without forcing users to jump between apps or devices. Instead of pausing, searching on a phone, or rewinding to catch something you missed, the Ask feature gets that information for you in real time, right beside where you're already watching. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.